Winter season.
Winter, the season of serene beauty and cool breezes, comes with a magical touch. Winter is the most important season in Pakistan. It is one of the four main seasons that occur in Pakistan.
It is coldest season of the year. It comes after rainy season. It falls in. The month of November ends in February. Winter days are cold and pleasant because of the low heat of sunlight. During winter, cold winds blow from
the north side. Every morning a thick sheet of fog hides the sun. In winter, the days grow shorter and the nights grow longer, enveloping. The sun rises late and sets early, casting a soft and golden glow over the frosty landscape. Leaves of trees fall and wheat's crop grows very well, while the ground often shines with a layer of frost or snow. During winter, people like to wear warm clothes, coats, scarves, and gloves to prevent themselves from cold wind. The wind is crisp and fresh, stimulating the senses. Indoors, families gather around fireplaces, enjoying the warmth.
And comfort of home. During this season, people enjoy a variety of recipes which most favorite sweet or kahawa. Hot drinks like tea, coffee, and cocoa provide relief against the cold. The most popular peanuts and nuts are the main winter. Gifts. We get plenty of vegetables and fruits in winter. Winter is also a time of festivities and joy. Snow-covered landscapes with their pristine beauty invite outdoor activities such as building snowmen, ice skating,
and snowball fights. It is also a season for traveling. Winter season is very necessary for the life cycle of Earth. This season also creates problems for farmers, old persons, and kids who face difficulties in this season. People go to different outside spots to have vacations and picnic. This season is really the wonderful season with a lot of joy and excitement. Despite its challenges, winter holds a special place in our hearts. It teaches us warmth and solidarity, making it a season of reflection and gratitude. Quiet nights and the serene beauty of winter mornings create memories that last a lifetime.
Subscribe to my channel.